Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is overbearing. It is pronounced O-ver-bear-ing and spelt O-V-E-R-B-E-A-R-I-N-G. Think over, bear, like the animal, and then ing. Overbearing means to be excessively dominant or controlling. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about someone acting in a bossy or arrogant manner. For example, you could say, she found his overbearing attitude irritating. Or, the child's overbearing behavior made it difficult for the teacher to control the class. The word overbearing comes from the combination of two words, over and bear. Over in this sense means higher than or more than, and bear, meaning to bear down by weight of physical force. So, if you put them together, this word describes having more physical force or presence. See the connection? Miss Trunchbull from Matilda by Roald Dahl could be described as overbearing. Miss Trunchbull is the tyrannical headmistress of Cruncham Hall Elementary School. She terrorizes both students and staff with her aggressive demeanor and awful punishments for even stepping a toe out of line. For example, Amanda Thripp was thrown over the fence by her pigtails, while several other students spent time in a tiny, nail-ridden room called the Chokey. Synonyms for overbearing are dominant, controlling, bossy, and arrogant. Antonyms for overbearing include submissive, humble, and meek. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, overbearing. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.